Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today we are going to unbox a Xiaomi Air Purifier Lite 4. So as you can see, this is the box we have received today. So this is one of the most popular air purifier on the market, and for good reason. It is affordable, effective and easy to use. So let's talk about some features before unboxing as mentioned in the box. So this air purifier features a 3-stage filtration system that removes 99.97% of airborne particles, including PM 2.5, pollen, dust and smoke. The air purifier also has a built-in air quality sensor that monitors the air quality in your home and automatically adjusts the fan speed accordingly. As you can see, it is compatible with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. This means that you can use your voice to control the air purifier, such as turning it off and on, adjusting the fan speed and checking the air quality. Okay, so let's start unboxing the device. So inside we get a power cord and there is some manual. And the air purifier unit itself. Okay, let me put it out. Okay, so here is our unit. Xiaomi Air Purifier Lite 4 has a simple but elegant design. It is made up of white plastic and features a sleek, minimalist aesthetic. It looks very premium. This air purifier is also very lightweight and portable, so you can easily move it from one room to another. After opening it up, here we have the filter for this air purifier, and let's open it up. Yes, so as you can see, this is the filter of this purifier. This is a true HEPA filter made by Xiaomi. Xiaomi claims it can last up to 6 to 1 year. It depends on the usage. At the back, as you can see, there is a button and then there is a sensor, and then at the bottom there is a port to plug the power cord. This is how the purifier looks like while working. This is a quick unboxing about the product. If you guys have any questions, you can comment it down and like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.